So what's your process for at least giving guidelines for the upsells?
It's composure. It's timing. I mean, I can't start mentioning dog movies before this individual started talking Elvis Presley. If her dog never barked, I would have never known. I could have heard something else in the background. Could have been anything. But as long as the agent is in the moment, because a lot of the times they'll be stressed because of the past, anxious of the future, or thinking about lunch. And if I didn't hear that dog bark for 2 seconds out of a 15-minute phone call, I would have never sold those additional movies. And so almost like a boxer, you need to be focused 100% when you're on that call. In between calls, on your break and lunch, zone out as much as you want, but you will be getting these sort of clues that are on these calls in regards to, and an upsell sometimes is not even offering additional stuff. An upsell could also be retention, because if I can keep you and get a referral, that's an upsell because we're getting business out of that. Or you'll be calling us back again to order a second time. I can consider that a client upsell in regards to fidelity and loyalty. And so as long as they use their common sense, generally if they have the sort of manners that we were raised with our parents and grandparents, our amazing grandparents, then what we can do is we can relate with individuals in a natural way. And we have a huge menu, and all we have to do, and we don't have the time to go over every movie, but as long as you're not hanging up and you're excited and we just keep talking, we can make suggestions. And some of the best, as you want to say, salespeople are the ones that will let you know that it's not the right fit